good morning to everybody joining us here in the room. I know many of you have travelled a long way to get here, so we really appreciate that indeed.
The problems are global, the problems we are facing. The burden of neurological and psychiatric diseases is enormous, obviously goes over borders, and we need to tackle them in a global manner and in a collaborative manner.
We managed to align stakeholders at the European level, but that it was necessary to engage into a meaningful dialogue with like-minded organizations and stakeholders globally.
We need to come together to make the best use of the research fund we have, to be able to lift up best researchers from around the world so we can benefit all of us globally from that.
And also in sharing the data that people collect in different societies, different cultural backgrounds.
Coming from Africa, I think it's really important for me to be able to meet with some of these key opinion leaders to discuss some of the challenges and opportunities that are out there in African neuroscience, which can help us towards better understanding of brain diseases.
Equity means that around the world, people have access to the resources that they need, but they also are the ones who understand what it is that they need.
So I think that's important to have this collaborative network in order to promote open science, better science to most people.
We really need to harmonize the best and brightest institutions, scientists, policy thinkers, economists from around the world to focus on these issues and try to develop solutions that will be relevant across countries.
But also where can we maybe agree on what some of the key priorities are that we should all get behind.
That includes countries, member states, it includes WHO, other UN organizations, as well as the non-state actors.
I think it was outstanding to be part of this event today, as patients' inclusion throughout Europe, throughout the world, will be the future, I think.
A rising tide lifts all ships, and I think my hope for the future is that we continue to work together, that we see a reduced incidence and burden of neurological conditions going forward.